Hi, this is David Boje from Storytelling Solutions, and I want to define to you what is story, S-T-O-R-Y. So let's make it easy to remember. Story is sociable, right? It's a sharing. It's a superorganism among superorganisms. If you're into biology and biota, it's the symbiogenesis. It's all of life on the earth, and story is a living part of that. The T in story stands for things, and things are thinking in the microbiological world. The life is, even if it has one or two sentient aspects of it, just sensing its environment, it can form communities that are thinking and thriving and cooperating. The O stands for observing and organizing. So life is always observing around it, sensing whatever its senses are, and organizing. R is for reliable. We want our story to be reliable, right? But we also want it to be somewhat radical, a way of recombining the assemblage of things and the assemblage of life, the living and the non-living together. Finally, the Y in story is about what's yonder, what's further, more distant in the future. And it's the yore, Y-O-R-E, the yore, the time long past, the yore. And then we're interested in having a little fun with our story, so yukking, Y-U-K-K-I-N-G, laughing loudly at life itself. So that gives you story, S-T-O-R-Y, right? Sociability, the S, T for things, O for observe, R for reliable, and Y for yonder and yore and yearning and yarns. And don't forget yukking to bring a little humor into your day. So this is Storytelling Solutions, and you can find us at csistory.com. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.